Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server on Grow Garden game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to Roblox and open up the Grow Garden game. You can open it and then you can click on this icon. And then you will find an option to create a private server. You can tap on that. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, and then you will be able to create your private server, and I'm just going to name it with this name, and then you can click on buy now and you will be able to create it for free. Okay, I have successfully built the private server and I'm going to click on now. And I'm going to close it. Okay, and this is my own private server. If you want to join your own private server, just click on join and you will be able to play in peace without the other player. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create private server on Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you.